So, I hear that there's some hijinks going on with Dr. Wu at conferences.
Dr. Wu is very well known and very popular. Sometimes he doesn't want to be found by other people, so he goes and hide behind some curtains or some columns at the conference, so then people cannot find him.
Yeah, because I know too many people at the conferences. So sometimes I need to get certain things done, or I want to have quality time with my students. The conference. So I prefer, sometimes I'll hide and I'll ask my student to come back to me and find me.
I think the last time I've been looking for him for 10 minutes. And he called me, "Hey Puya, I'm behind this column. Yeah, just come here slowly and quietly."
Yeah, at different conferences are different hiding places.
What was it that drew you to doing transportation engineering?
Okay, I wanted to save lives. So I found it's exciting. I've been telling my students that I really like to see something moving. One thing is moving quite a lot is traffic. So I got excited about the moving traffic, how to move them from point A to point B, and how to optimize the traffic flow. And later on, I figured out my expertise actually can save lives. So that's why I'm really excited about this discipline. So transportation engineer can save life by doing different things, by further educating drivers. Okay, human factors are one of them, and also redesign our roadways so people can drive more safely and more comfortably, and the cars, vehicles. So of course we can do further research to improve our transportation infrastructure and systems to make sure everything is all coherently working together, so people can drive better, more efficient, and safer. So I'm the director of Center for Applied Transportation Sciences, CATS. My center has been working closely with multiple jurisdictions and agencies. The goal of the center is to unite all the agencies to deal with real-world traffic issues. So let's take City of Tucson, for example. So probably you never notice how long the red light is, and also how long the yellow light is. By changing the length of yellow light will actually impact on drivers' behaviors. That one alone will reduce more than 50% of red light running events. So that one you can see immediate impact right away.
Yao's had a large impact on basically research development here at the university and in the department, as well as workforce development. He's been bringing in about $1 million of research a year through CATS, so his own research. And that money has gone then to support his graduate students, so his PhDs. He's got master's students that have gone on into the workforce. He's one of our bigger supporters of bringing undergraduates into the laboratory. So he's just been amazing in getting students involved in all sorts of different spots in their careers.
So I'm also the director of Arizona Transportation Institute. AZTI is a tri-university institute. ASU, NAU, and U of A, we united and working together with Arizona Department of Transportation, ADOT. So work together to deal with the statewide traffic and transportation issues. So for AZTI, we are more like a funding agency to support faculty to do their research. We currently have more than 80 affiliate faculty members, and also more than 180 faculty and scholars. They are passionate about transportation. They try to solve more problems for us. So it's a really good collaborative platform for faculty working together to resolve or to solve some traffic issues or transportation issues in our state.
What he is doing will outlive him. The establishment of AZTI is a legacy event. I don't know if he realizes that or if he sees it that way, but AZTI will exist for decades. It will grow well beyond where it has been. A transportation institute that connects the three universities and does all of that important work will exist in the state of Arizona for decades. And he's the founding director. He is the guy that did that. That is legacy.
I'm in the process talking to different states. How can we work together to create even bigger impact? Even reach out to other institutes in other countries too. So let's do one step at a time, because this is year 2 of AZTI. We are pretty happy with what I've been doing, what we have achieved so far.
I've been working with Dr. Wu for nearly 2 years now, and one thing that really stands out in CATS, the work that we do really impacts the people's lives. It is actually important to have this real world impact, because that's what makes my work exciting, when I see that it is actually being used and not just, being stored in computers.
So the thing I found very interesting about his projects was that his projects are very practical. It's not pure research, it's research that's being applied to the field. So you can see that there are tangible results. Whatever we do here, we can see the impact immediately. So it feels great, yeah.
We started donating to the Da Vinci Circle and to the University of Arizona College of Engineering about 4 or 5 years ago. It's important to invest in outstanding professors. As a donor, you can participate, meet these professors, understand their research, and feel like you're a part of that research and making it happen.
So I think the engineering department's Da Vinci Fellow program, it's an opportunity to give to things where you see real impact and where people are doing really great work. Being able to see it up close and hear from professors what they're doing is really amazing.
Dr. Yao-Jan Wu's working on transportation science. I've seen him brief and present, and he is so passionate about teaching, educating, and making a difference in people's lives daily.
So he's deserving of the Da Vinci Award for a multitude of reasons. So certainly he's got his cutting edge research, emerging technologies, moving things forward, data-driven artificial intelligence, community engagement. And then when you think of things like AZTI, he's really, that whole enterprise is really driving for the next generation of transportation research and engineering solutions. So, the next time you're sitting here in traffic in Tucson, just remember that without Yao, that wait would actually be even worse.
Da Vinci was an innovator, right? Da Vinci was ahead of his time. Yao is all of those things. He is a true innovator. He's a pioneer. He's at the forefront. He is leading in so many areas. Again, he will transform transportation research in the state of Arizona simply because of these things that he's done.
Becoming a Da Vinci Fellow, it's the first thing I thought was I feel grateful because the college had been so supportive. They support the entire thing. Next step will be I want to use this fellowship to support more students and more future engineers. So if I can create a bigger impact on our society, I would love to do more. Okay, in the future, we're gonna have better and newer technologies. Roadways will understand people. People will understand the vehicle. Vehicle will understand drivers. They're gonna understand each other better. I would say that in the future, everything will be more cohesive, and then will be safer and more efficient. I know we still don't have flying cars, but 20 years ago, I couldn't believe that the computer vision can replace so many things in a car. So everything will be more efficient in the future.
When do you think we're going to get those flying cars anyway?
It's gonna take a while, but you never know. So I cannot predict the future. Otherwise, I buy more stocks right now. Yeah, I cannot predict the future, but I can tell you right now is that we're gonna have better technologies. I'm pretty sure the future will be better.
I hope so.
in terms of transportation engineering, yeah.